This is Cassie from Retekess, and today I will show you how to operate the Retekess TD175S. And in this video, I will show you how to pair the pager with the keyboard. And we can start. First, we should make sure the keyboard is plugged in and the antenna is installed. Now we can start. First, we need to enter the settings. There are F1 to F2 in the settings. In F1, we can set the pager number, that is, pair the pager with the keyboard. We should press the set key for 3 seconds, and we can see F1. And this is F2, this is F3, this is F4. And if we want to pair the pager, we should enter the F1 and press call to confirm. And we can see the number will show on the screen, and we can try again and it will show the number. We can use this pager to test. If we want to change the number 6 to number 11, we can press 11 on the screen and take out the pager, press call. We can hear the beep sound. It means we're successful. We can test it. First, we should back to the main interface and press the number we just changed. Take out the pager, press call. It means we're successful. Okay, hope this video is helpful for you, and that's all.